Welcome to the world of mega factories, where technology meets taste in every bite.
We begin our journey at the massive flour silos, the heart of any industrial bakery.
The proofing chamber maintains the ideal humidity for the dough to rise perfectly.
Metal detectors scan every package to ensure the highest safety standards for consumers.
Moving on to the pastry line, where layers of butter are folded into delicate dough.
Now, let's dive into the high-speed world of automated beverage bottling plants. Oxygen is removed from the bottles to preserve the freshness and flavor of the drink. Cold glue labeling machines apply perfect labels at a rate of 20 per second. Heat shrink tunnels wrap the packs in clear plastic for easy transport and display. Notice the synchronized movement of the conveyor belts, managing thousands of units.
These
boxes are then scanned for weight accuracy before leaving the production floor.
Heat shrink tunnels wrap the packs in clear plastic for easy transport and display. The juice is flash pasteurized to kill bacteria while maintaining its natural nutrients. Aseptic filling machines ensure that the juice remains fresh without any preservatives.
Welcome to the snack factory, where raw potatoes are transformed into crispy chips.
Nitrogen cushion prevents the chips from breaking during their long journey to stores. Cornmeal is pressurized and heated until it expands into the desired snack shape. The nuts are roasted in massive batches to bring out their natural oils and aroma.
are covered in breadcrumbs before entering the flash frying stage.
Spiral freezers drop the temperature to sub-zero in minutes to lock in freshness. Finally, we enter the sweet world of confectionery and chocolate manufacturing. Cocoa beans are roasted and ground into a rich, liquid mass called chocolate liquor. Tempering machines carefully control the temperature to give the chocolate a glossy shine. For filled chocolates, the center is injected before the bottom layer is sealed. After setting, the gummies are tumbled in oil or sugar for their final finish.
This automation allows for massive production while maintaining perfect consistency.
From the raw ingredients to the final package, technology drives the food industry.
Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the world of food automation.
Support us by hitting the like button and sharing this video with your friends.
Subscribe now to never miss an episode of Automated Wonders.